Spice up your sentences, mastering synonyms for clarity and variety. Hello there, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of synonyms to make our writing clearer, more precise, and interesting. The ability to use synonyms effectively is a hallmark of a seasoned writer, and it's also a powerful tool in everyday communication. So, are you ready to spice up your sentences with synonyms? Let's get started. Simply put, synonyms are different words that have the same or similar meaning. They're a great tool for avoiding repetition in your writing, adding variety, and emphasizing certain points. For instance, the words happy, joyful, and elated are all synonyms, but each carries a slightly different nuance, allowing you to choose the perfect word for each situation. Sometimes, using the same word over and over again can lead to confusion or boredom. By using synonyms, you can avoid this and enhance the clarity of your message. For instance, if you're writing about a manager repeatedly, you can use synonyms like supervisor or boss to avoid repetition and make your writing clearer. Now, let's focus on using synonyms for improving sentence variety. Using different words to express the same idea can make your writing more engaging and lively. For example, consider these two sentences. 1. John is a diligent worker. He is always diligent in completing his tasks. 2. John is a diligent worker. He is always thorough in completing his tasks. In the second sentence, we've replaced the repeated word, diligent, with a synonym, thorough. This adds variety and makes the sentence more engaging. But, hold on, not all synonyms are created equal. While big, large, and gigantic might mean the same thing, they're not always interchangeable. Context, connotation, and degree of intensity matter. So, choose your synonyms carefully. A thesaurus can be a great tool, but always double-check the meaning and connotation in a dictionary. Practice and reading widely will help you develop a feel for choosing the right synonyms. And that's it for today, word wizards. Remember, synonyms are your secret weapon for writing with clarity, precision, and variety. But don't forget to choose your synonyms carefully and consider the context. Keep practicing, keep exploring, and soon you'll master the art of using synonyms effectively. We hope you found this video helpful. Until next time, keep playing with words and keep learning.